and welcome back. Now, trust me, as a kid, I used to hate zucchini, and maybe I still do a little. But I found this little trick that kind of made me fall in love with zucchini, and I can't wait to share this with you. So I'm gonna be making baked Parmesan zucchini today. Let me show you the steps and the ingredients that you need so we can get started. Recipe, I am using 2 zucchinis. These zucchinis have already been washed. And then I will be adding 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs, 1 tablespoon of Parmesan, 1 tablespoon of dried oregano, half a tablespoon of paprika. You can always use pepper if you don't have paprika, and salt to taste. And I will also be using 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Now for this recipe, you will also be using a baking tray, so I am going to put this on the side. In the meantime, I'm going to preheat the oven at 200 degrees Celsius. Now that's done. The next step is to cut our zucchini in thin, long strips. So basically what you're gonna do is trim off the ends and cut in half, and then in 3. You can also just half them. So that's how each strip should look like. And half. So basically this is how you are going to place them on the tray. Now we will be adding all the seasoning. So first I'm gonna sprinkle the breadcrumbs. It's very easy and very quick to make. So make sure you sprinkle the breadcrumbs evenly. There you go. And now I am going to add in the Parmesan. So just sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. This is so easy, kids can make this themselves. Just sprinkle, sprinkle. A bit of paprika on top. The dried oregano. And salt to taste. More of the oregano, and now I am just going to pour in the olive oil. So just drizzle the olive oil on top. It's so therapeutic to just drizzle the olive oil like that. Now with clean hands you can just quickly toss it. Just make sure everything is mixed, you know. So there we go, we have it. I'm just going to put this in the oven and let it bake for about 15 minutes until it turns golden on the top, crispy on the top. Well, the zucchini is ready. It's nice and golden from the top. So here you go, my baked Parmesan zucchini is done. I am going to try this now. I'm pretty sure it tastes really good. Excellent. Actually, you will only know this taste once you try it at home. So do try this and let me know how you go. I hope you've enjoyed watching today's episode. I shall see you in my next video. Au revoir! I think I like zucchini now. I think I do.